Okay, so we're pretty much almost done. We just have to put in a background and put something underneath. So let's talk about it. Okay, the first thing you want to do is create a new layer. So just create a new layer and click OK. And you're going to go to the rectangle tool and put a rectangle on one side, halfway. And go over here and choose your colors. I'm going to choose, it's going to be red and light blue, so I'm going to choose red for this side, sort of make it contrasting. And if I want to put the blue on the other side, I'm going to click right here and choose the blue. And the easy, you could put another rectangle there, but the easy way is just to invert this layer. So I'm going to go select, invert, and then drop the blue. Well, we have a problem here in that we can't see our picture, so we need to move this layer down. You can either drag it. If that doesn't work, you can use these arrows right here and move it down so it's behind. And this is also a good time to maybe move your face up a little bit. So I'm going to make sure I'm on the Obama layer here and just take it and notice I'm moving it up a little higher. And that gives us some space below to put something. And so you're going to get the rectangle tool again and just make a rectangle tool down here, or excuse me, a rectangle down here. Oh, but I forgot something very important. We want it on top of this, not below it. Although if we're using the same color, it shouldn't matter. But let's just create one more new layer. And we're going to use the dark blue that we used to do all the black. So we're going to click on that and drop that down here. Okay, and that's where we're going to put our writing. And so the next thing we need to do, well, okay, so this is good because this one is above these other two layers. So this one covers Obama and Obama covers the background. So you can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're going to go to the text tool, and all you do is you make a box, an imaginary box, right inside there. And the font you're going to choose, I've already got it here, is Microsoft, and it's PHAGSPA. I don't know how that's pronounced, Fogspaw or something like that. There's bold and there's regular. I'm going to choose bold. Okay. And you can adjust the size. I'm going to run the size down a little bit. Click in there, and I'm going to put it on caps lock and type hope. Although I think it's probably way too big. Way too big. I'm running out of energy here. So just maybe run this thing down a little bit. Oh, wait. Here's my problem. The reason I can't see my text is because it's the same color as the background. So make sure that you choose the light blue here. Click OK. There's my text. Okay, so I'm going to make it smaller so we can see it. And there you go. So to center it, it's right here. This is right justify, left justify, and center. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm done. So I can just click on save. That saves it as a GIMP file, but then I want to go to File, Export. That's very important because if you don't do that, you're going to have a problem. And make sure that you export it as a JPEG. So you have your XCF here, but I'm exporting it as JPEG so I can actually see it. Click Export. And when you're done, I don't know if I can preview this. Hang on. There you are. You can see that mine is almost virtually identical to the one that Shepherd Fairey did, right? Okay, well, not quite. But anyway, that's what we're doing today. Don't worry about it being perfect. Don't worry about, look at what I did. It's not perfect, but it's good enough. And just have some fun with it, okay? Let's go.